Hey tech enthusiast! Our unboxing of the HP 15S laptop showcases its clean design and powerful functionality. Here's a chance to discover for yourself what makes this laptop a standout in the world of computing. A stylish minimalist box bearing the iconic HP logo ships with this HP 15S laptop. As soon as you open the package, you are greeted with a premium experience. There is a solid feel to the box which suggests the gem inside will be protected. First impression. The laptop's exterior showcases a sophisticated silver finish radiating a premium aura. This product adds a touch of elegance and durability with its smooth brushed metal texture. It is very evident that HP pays close attention to every curve and contour of this laptop. I must also state this laptop have a perfect smooth plastic finish, especially the shining HP logo in the dead center, adding to its aesthetical look. Comparing this laptop to the previous model, there is a clear upgrade. The 12th generation HP 15S rocks Intel's latest Iris Xd graphics, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 technology. It runs on Intel Core i5 microprocessor and 8GB SD RAM. It's lightweight at 1.6 kg and comes standard with 15.6-inch Full HD display. So let's discuss other features. On the left-hand side of the laptop, you find a proprietary DC charging port next to two USB Super Speed Type A ports. The right-hand side of the laptop houses HDMI 1.4B port, and next to it is a Thunderbolt 4. A headphone jack, just like most laptops, and one multi-format SD media card reader, which you might not find on most mid-range laptops. Palm rest space is rather limited due to how the keyboard is positioned close to the edge of the laptop. The touchpad is wide enough to provide better user experience so you don't run out of space when moving files around or performing tasks like video editing. Unfortunately, this laptop has no keyboard backlight, which is pretty disappointing and could be frustrating, especially when working in a low-lit environment. This laptop is equipped with 720p HD camera with integrated dual-array digital microphones. Do I need to state it's not touchscreen? The laptop boasts a 15.6-inch Full HD display that brings visuals to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're working on a project, streaming your favorite shows, or even gaming, the display promises an impressive experience. At Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution and 45% NTSC screen rating, the display is pretty moderate for an average user, but not a great display for color-sensitive activities like video editing or photo editing. Screen to body ratio without the speaker is about 82.12%. For a low mid-range laptop like this, simple day-to-day tasks like surfing the internet or running not too heavy apps are very seamless. Light video editing of up to 1080p is also a breeze for this laptop, especially if you have the 16GB of RAM as an option. Things might go south when you start doing things like the 4K video editing. You might start to experience lag and freeze while editing. If you would like to perform technical activities like the 4K video editing, then I'll recommend you get a dedicated PC or even a gaming PC. The sound is not over the moon and at the same time, not a disappointing one. The dual speakers deliver clear sound, enhancing your multimedia and entertainment endeavors. Talking about the battery, the HP 15S laptop boasts of a battery life of up to 7 hours and 15 minutes, although it all depends on what you do with the laptop. This laptop also supports battery fast charge, meaning you can charge up to 50% in 45 minutes. In conclusion, the HP 15s laptop impresses with its sleek design, powerful performance, and thoughtful features. It's pretty moderate for an average laptop user. In terms of pricing, it's a budget laptop. The prices might vary based on location and also the time of purchase, but I'll leave a link in the description box below should you want to get one. Alright, that's a wrap on the unboxing of the HP 15s laptop. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.